We've all heard about just this massive growth that social marketing and social tools have been experiencing, and one of the ways that a lot of marketers are leveraging this in this huge industry of social is by tying in their offers or their landing pages into the actual Facebook environment. And what I mean by that is taking your landing page from Ad to Action and embedding it inside your Facebook account. I'll show you an example of that. This is a page set up for a book called Winner's Secret. It's a brand new novel that's about to come out, and you guys all ought to go buy it. But down here, you're going to notice there's a new link called Free 2 Chapters. So in this case, she's giving away 2 free chapters of the book. So if you were to click on this, it'll go out, and I'm in edit mode here, so I'll have to hit preview to show you what this looks like. But it goes out, and this is what the rest of the world sees. They'll click on this free 2 chapters, and then it pulls in a landing page that sits right there embedded into Facebook. And then in this case, what she's doing is giving away 2 free chapters. They fill out the form. The Ad to Action system automatically receives that data, puts it into her lead manager. It'll notify her on her phone when somebody fills it out. The system will automatically send them the 2 chapters with the link to purchase the book. So it's a way for her to harvest more of her Facebook traffic and convert them into actual sales. So this is a super cool tool that you can use with Ad to Action and embed it in. Now it's very, very easy to do. There's actually an application. This is all you do is you come up here and you type iframe. And if you type the word iframe in, there's one that's called static HTML iframes. And what you're going to do is click on that app and you're going to download it. And it automatically installs right into your Facebook account. And when you do that, the star will appear over here, and you'll be able to click on the edit button next to it or click on it. And when you click on that, it'll actually pull open a page where you put a little bit of code in here. And what this code is it's basically instructions to tell this page to go to your landing page and pull it in. You can get help on where that code is and what you put in right here. It says, can I use a page from my blog or website? And they'll actually give you a sample of the code there, and you just put the link of your landing page right in there, and it's going to default it to 520 pixels wide and 800 pixels tall. So you want to make sure your page is within that parameter. So that's all you do to be able to add your page. Now the important thing is that Ad to Action actually supports an actual Facebook page. You're going to see this template here with a little F, and what you're going to do is you're going to go into Edit. And I'm editing an existing page, but if you were to create a new campaign, you go in and hit the Create New Campaign, and it takes you through these 4 steps of selecting a template and so forth. If you click on this custom area right here, and you scroll down to the bottom, there's a brand new template called Facebook Fan Page. If you click on it, this is the image that'll appear. And what you're going to notice is that this page is designed to be 500 in width. It gives 10 pixels on both sides to allow Facebook not to throw in any scroll bars and things, but it's 500 in width, and it's laid out in a way where your content's at the top. You can drop a video in, and then your lead form in, or an image in, and then you just basically click Save and Continue. And this will take you right into the same process of selecting what data you want to capture on your lead form. If you want to be notified on your cell phone, if you'd like to automatically deliver them a PDF, and in her case she's giving away 2 free chapters, so this is where you would say yes and put it in there. It'll also allow you to go in and update any of the content on that page. For instance, if you want to add a video, images, anything like that, headline text. And as long as you just got to remember, instead of working, from left to right on a design, you're really squeezing that template down to about a 500 width, so that it stays within that Facebook area. And the nice thing is Ad to Action's already set those widths for you, so as long as you stay within those perimeters, and you'll see this right here. I just dropped in an image, and then the lead form right below it with a simple call to action. That's all it is. And then once I hit save or preview, if I were to hit preview here, let me go ahead. I have a pop-up blocker on, but if I hit preview, you can just copy the URL, and then when you come back over here and you look at how they show you that example, that's the URL you want to use right here in this area. So hopefully you got that and it's not too confusing. Once you hit save or close from here, you can move into the next section, which is setting up your autoresponders. That way you can do your drip messaging to them and sequence those out. So maybe the first email says, here's your 2 chapters. The second email might say, here's a link to order the book. The third one might say, hey, join us at one of our signing events, and so forth and so on. So you can sequence those out however you want, depending on your product, of course, and what you're selling. But that is just a cool new way to get your Ad to Action site embedded right into your Facebook page. There's some other things you're going to want to know, is like how to change this title here. And these questions are answered right here in this FAQ and help area. If you click on it, it'll say like how let me see where it's at. How do I make this the default landing page tab? So on your fan page, this could actually be the tab that appears. How do I change the name of my tab? Right there it gives you the exact instructions on what you do to actually rename this tab. How do I use an image and so forth? And you can go down and just read about each one of these. If this is kind of cool here, and then I'll leave on this, you can actually set up multiple tabs. So if you had multiple landing pages with multiple offers, you could wire them all right into your Facebook account, and then anybody that goes to your Facebook fan page, they could get all your different offers right off your Facebook page. And what this does allow your Ad to Action landing page to merge in with Facebook and just be this beautiful, just a beautiful connection between the two, to have you be able to go out and start leveraging social marketing and any friends and targeted audiences you may build on Facebook to get more conversions to your page. I hope this has been helpful on this tutorial and you've learned something new today. Jump in there and build your page. I'm excited to see what you guys are going to do in terms of Facebook pages, and I'd love to hear some of your success stories. I tell you, there's nothing that makes our day better than to get an email from a client that says, hey, check this out, this is what I'm working on, and tell us a little bit about their experience with the product. So thank you guys, appreciate it very much. You guys have a good day, make it successful, and we will chat with you in another webinar sometime in the future. Bye.